Spot the D pronounced as J. ESL pronunciation quiz. Spot the D pronounced as J in connected speech. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. The Duke addressed the crowd throughout the grand celebration. Is it A, Duke, B, addressed, C, crowd, or D, grand? The correct answer is A, Duke. Mandy decided to seduce Gordon over dinner by candlelight. Is it A, decided, B, candlelight, C, dinner, or D, seduce? The correct answer is D, seduce. Teachers work hard to educate children and develop their confidence every day. Is it A, develop, B, educate, C, confidence, or D, day? The correct answer is B, educate. Would you decide today whether David could attend the dinner? Is it A, attend, B, would you, C, today, or D, decide? The correct answer is B, would you. And finally, the pendulum danced wildly, dodging the delicate shadows. Is it A, delicate, B, wildly, C, shadows, or D, pendulum? The correct answer is D, pendulum. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more pronunciation quizzes.